Think about the journey of fresh produce, like this perfectly ripe apple. We want it farm fresh, right? But getting it from the field to the processing facility while maintaining that peak freshness, well, that's the challenge. Welcome to the future of fresh.
Traditionally, tracking produce through the supply chain involves many steps, and often a lot of unanswered questions arise along the way. This lack of real time visibility creates uncertainty. Was it kept cool? Where is it exactly?
Imagine wanting assurance, knowing the story behind your food. That's what we're aiming for, bringing true transparency to the food journey.
This transparency needs to connect everyone from the farm through distribution, potentially to the store, and ultimately to the consumer.
In warehouses and transit, data can be fragmented or inconsistent. Manual logs or disparate systems often mean we don't have the full picture, leaving us guessing about the produce condition.
We put so much care into growing quality produce on the farm.
But once it leaves the farm gate, vital information about its journey can easily get lost. Delays or improper handling aren't always captured. And this lost information has real consequences. Globally, a staggering amount of food, nearly one third, is wasted, often due to supply chain inefficiencies.
For us farmers, losing track means potential problems. What condition will it arrive in? Will the shipment even be accepted? A rejected shipment isn't just lost produce, it's lost income, wasted effort, and a hit to our livelihood.
And as consumers, we face doubts too. Is this really fresh? Can I trust its safety? Where did it actually come from?
Food safety scares highlight this need. When issues arise, tracing the source quickly is difficult. Ultimately, everyone wants assurance about the food they consume.
So, what's the answer? It lies in combining two powerful technologies, the Internet of Things or IoT, providing the real time data, and blockchain makes it secure and transparent.
In warehouses and transit, data can be fragmented or inconsistent. Manual logs or disparate systems often mean we don't have the full picture, leaving us guessing about the produce condition. And secure digital ledgers working together and blockchain offering a secure, unchangeable way to record that data. Think sensors and secure digital ledgers working together.
Right here in the field, sensors can monitor conditions like soil moisture, ensuring optimal growth before harvest. When harvested, each batch, like this spinach, gets a unique identifier, perhaps a QR code linking it to its initial data.
Now, let's follow that spinach. As it moves along the supply chain, perhaps in a refrigerated truck, its temperature is constantly monitored by IoT.
And its location is tracked. If conditions deviate, say the temperature rises, an alert can be triggered and that event is permanently recorded on the blockchain.
When the truck arrives at the processing plant, the data provides an immediate status check.
Inside the facility, the produce might be scanned, washed, and packaged. Each step, like sealing the bag, is verified and added to that batch's blockchain record. This creates a tamper proof digital ledger. Authorized parties, and sometimes even consumers with a simple scan, can unlock and access this verified data trail.
This seamless flow of verified information from the farm through transport to the processing plant builds confidence at every stage. For consumers, scanning a code could reveal the journey, ensuring freshness and origin that provides invaluable peace of mind about the food on their table.
For farmers like me, this data offers incredible insights. We can see how conditions impact quality, potentially leading to improved yields and significantly reduced waste. It also provides undeniable proof of quality, which can translate into better market access and fairer prices for our hard work.
For the industry, the benefits are huge. Real time dashboards show stable temperatures, optimal stock levels, and potentially even extended shelf life predictions based on verified data.
This detailed tracking allows for pinpoint accuracy. We know exactly where every batch is and its condition.
Think about recalls. What used to take days or even weeks to trace back can now potentially be done in seconds. This approach also supports sustainability goals, helping reduce waste of resources like water and energy, contributing to targets like the UN's Sustainable Development Goals on food loss.
This isn't just theory, it's happening now.
Major players are already implementing these solutions. Think IBM Food Trust working with giants like Walmart and Tunanfor, or companies like Golden State Foods, Kroger, Wakefern, and Fonterra leveraging blockchain for traceability.
These are real industry examples proving the value.
The key advantage is traceability speed. We're moving from a time scale of days to trace something down to mere seconds.
Instead of unknown origins and conditions, we get verified sources and transparent data, building trust throughout the chain.
Take a company like Discols, known for berries. Imagine tracking soil moisture, picking dates, transport times, all linked via QR code, elevating their reputation for quality through verifiable data.
Just like we trust platforms like PayPal for payments or Amazon for shopping, Trust Blockchain is bringing that level of trust and transparency to our food.
This technology is rapidly moving beyond niche applications and is truly going mainstream in the food industry.
Now, implementing this system does involve challenges and considerations.
Key hurdles include the initial setup cost, the need for industry wide standardization so systems can talk to each other,
Addressing the skills gap to manage the technology and ensuring robust data security and privacy. These are challenges that need careful planning.
Yes, the setup costs are a factor, especially for smaller farms. We need to consider sensor costs, training,
And the integration of blockchain platforms with existing farm management systems.
and training is essential. We need accessible resources, maybe even rural training centers to help everyone get comfortable with the new tools.
Bridging that digital gap is crucial. Ensuring connectivity and providing user friendly interfaces on devices like phones and tablets is key.
Once we overcome the learning curve, the ability to access and use this data directly from the field is incredibly empowering.
Security is paramount. Blockchain's inherent security is strong, but we also employ techniques like zero knowledge proofs, which allow verification of data without revealing sensitive underlying details, protecting commercial privacy. It's about finding the right balance between providing valuable transparency to build trust and maintaining the necessary privacy for all stakeholders involved.
Seeing the data clearly on a tablet or laptop helps us make smarter decisions day in and day out.
Implementing IoT and blockchain isn't just a future concept for fresh produce tracking. The future is now connecting the world through transparent, trustworthy data. Want to learn more? Resources like IBM Skills Build offer free courses including introductions to blockchain basics. You can enroll easily. Why not start exploring today? If you have questions or thoughts about this technology, let's talk in the comments below. Collaboration and discussion are key to advancing these innovations. What excites you most about the future of food transparency? Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into how technology is shaping our world.